What's up, YouTube? Today I'm making taco salad. Chicken taco salad, actually fried chicken taco salad. So I got my meat in the plastic. I'm gonna be putting some sour cream, lettuce, tomatoes, cheese. But I'm trying these new Doritos. Sweet, spicy chili. I'm gonna see what them tasting like on the taco salad. And you know what I can't forget, y'all, the Catalina dressing. So stay tuned. All right, y'all, just dropped my chicken in the pot. Look at it. Good. So today, I'm making taco salad with these new chili, spicy, sweet chili tacos. I usually make it with Doritos, but today I wanted to try something different. And guess what, y'all? I use fried chicken. My fried chicken. These ain't from Tyson or none of that. I chop this chicken up and I'm gonna put it on top of my taco salad. So it's gonna be fried chicken taco salad with these spicy sweet chili Doritos. Let's check it out. Oh, and I guess I'm going solo today. The kids on their phones, computers, playing Roblox, you know, all that stuff. They left me hanging today. But I said, you know what? I'm going to still get the people what they want. Dinner. You don't pour too many because it's almost what, 6 o'clock, and y'all know I start my time at 6 o'clock because I do that intermittent fasting. I try to eat just 12 hours in a day. The other 12 I try to go without eating. That's the only way I can keep my, you know, my figure up, period. So I smashed them a little bit. See that? All right. I got some lettuce right here. I don't want too much. Just gonna drizzle a little bit on there like that. You feel me? Bam. All right. Take a couple pieces of this chicken, y'all. Bam. 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 Oh, I like the crispy ones. I don't want too much, you know. I basically just did this for the kids, and they ain't even in the video with me. Okay, got a little Colby Jack and Monterey cheese. It adds flavor. I really like flavor, y'all. Let's check it out. Boom, 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 boom. One more. And what else? Can't forget the what? Can't forget the what, YouTube? The what? Sour cream. Sour cream. Yes! Let's get a little bit of it. Bam, 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 bam. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Oh, wait. And guess what else? Y'all? What else? What's going to make this pop? What's going to make this taste good? Catalina. Yes. If you don't know, now you know. Get a little bit of this. Let's get a little bit of this. Pop. All right. Let's what? You see this? Look like it came strictly from the taco place, don't it? Do it? I can't hear y'all. I'll move this out the way. And guess what I'm gonna do? usually don't eat with my hands, but since my tacos are kind of big, I'm gonna take a bite with my hands. Let me get some of that fried chicken. What? What? These right here, y'all. These right here with some taco salad is hitting. It's busting. Let me do it again. Let me taste it again. Oh, let me taste it again, y'all. With the cheese? I was a little bit skeptical, but baby, this right here, this fried chicken, this lettuce, and this chili sweet spicy Dorito. When I tell you it's good, it is delicious. I wouldn't even lie. I would not lie. Make you some fried chicken. Get you some of them sweet and spicy chili Doritos. This right here. This right here. This right here. You see this? If you can't remember the name, remember the bag. The purple bag. You hear me? Oh, no. Oh, no. If y'all sleeping on them Doritos, you don't even have to do it with chicken. See, I want that extra mile. Baby. These taste better than the nacho cheese ones with the taco salad. And I like them. I really, really like them. When I say this salad is busting, this taco salad with the fried chicken, the lettuce, the sour cream, and the Catalina is busting. Baby, it's busting. Don't sleep on it. Check this out. You see that? Do you see it? I'm not even lie to y'all. It's good. It dropped off my Dorito. It's good. It's delicious. And nutritious. What? When I tell you it's good, it's good. Real good. All right. You know what? Thank y'all for sitting in with me at dinner time. I really appreciate it. Go out and get this. Go out and get something to eat. Ooh, you know what I mean? Go out and get this. Get them Doritos. Make this. And I'm telling you, you will not be sorry. Thanks for tuning in to TBNG, but today is just what? T. Hey, 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 T. Hey, 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 T. Hey, 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 T. All right, y'all. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe and what? Like my son always say, hit that bell button, baby. Hit that bell button, baby. Hit that bell button, baby. All right, bye.